Reneé Jane Rapp, professionally known as Reneé Rapp, was born on 10th of January in 2000. She is an American singer, songwriter, and actress. Today she's celebrating a birthday of 25 years. She gained recognition for starring as Regina George in Broadway musical Mean Girls, released from 2019-2020. She reprised the role in 2024 film Mean Girl and also contributed to its soundtrack. Rapp has also starred in the Max comedy series The Sex Lives of College Girls, released from 2021-2024. In 2018, Rapp was cast as Wendra in Theatre Charlotte's regional production of Spring Awakening. On July 26, 2018, Rapp performed at the 2018 Supergirl Pro Surf and Music Festival. On 23rd of September 2018, she took part in the Educational Theatre Foundation's 4th annual Broadway Back to School event held at Friendly's 54th Bureau. In 2018, she read the role of Montoya in Radar Theatre Company's reading of Parrot. On 28th of May 2019, it was announced that Rapp would take over the role of Regina George in the Tony Award nomination Broadway musical Mean Girl, first for a limited run from June 7 to 26. The partner started 10th, 2019. On 14th of November 2022, Rapp announced her first tour, Everything to Everyone. The first shows there was 4 tour dates across the United States: Los Angeles, Manhattan, Boston, and Atlanta. Due to high ticket demand, a new date was added in Brooklyn as well as extra shows Los Angeles and Manhattan. Rapp announced her first international performance for her debut EP on 19th July 2023. She performed 3 times venue upgrade sold-out shows at Second Forum, Kingstown. In 2018, she won Jimmy Award in Best Performance by an Actress in Big Fish. In 2024, she won Grand Media Award and Nicolas Cage Choice Award, and she was nominated for different awards. Wishing happy birthday to Reneé Rapp. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write in the comment though. Thank you. Have a nice day. More information was posted on Wikipedia. Uyu munsi insabukuru y'imyaka 25 ya Reneé Mary Jane Rapp, uzwi nka Reneé Rapp. Akaba ari umunyamerika, umukinnyi w'amafilime, umuririmbyi ndetse yandika n'indirimbo. Akaba yaramenyekanye akina muri filime yitwa Mean Girl, yakiniye kuva muri 2019 kugera muri 2020, ndetse ayongera yikinamo igice kindi cyasohotse muri 2024. Kandi kuva mu mwaka wa 2021 kugera muri 2024 yakinaga muri filime y'uruhererekane yitwa The Sex Life of College Girls. Mu mwaka wa 2022 yashyize hanze EP igizwe n'indirimbo nyinshi yitwa Everything to Everyone. Ndetse mu mwaka wa 2023 ashyira hanze alubumu ye ya mbere yitwa Snow Angel. Kuva tariki 14 z'ukwa 11 2022 yakoze ibirori mu mijyi itandukanye yo muri Amerika irimo Los Angeles, Manhattan, Boston, Atlanta, ndetse kubera kugurwa kw'amatike yongeraho n'ikindi kirori muri Brooklyn. Ukoze kubana nanjye nagusaba like na subscribe ibyo umenya amakuru agezweho, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi yanjye muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.